Hello and welcome to Entry App. My name is Akash Shukla, your educator at RETI. If you guys are preparing for any banking and insurance exam in 2021 and targeting your banking exam, then guys there is a very good news because National Housing Bank has announced the notification for various posts. Yes guys, now there is another notification out from National Housing Bank and the posts are assistant manager, deputy manager and regional manager. For assistant manager there are 14 posts. If you are fresher then you can apply for the assistant manager only, and if you are experienced of working in with bank then guys you can apply for the deputy manager and regional manager as well. Yeah, if you are a fresher then let's talk about the assistant manager post. For the assistant manager only phase 1 exam is required, only one exam is required, that kind of mains level that we usually see in the banking examination, and that also include descriptive test guys. And after that your interview will take place. If you will be selected in the phase 1 examination, then phase 2 will be interview and then your selection process will be done. So very easy selection process. And guys let me tell you what exactly the National Housing Bank is. So guys now it is under the jurisdiction of Ministry of Finance, Government of India. पहले RBI के अंडर आता था लेकिन नाउ इट इज अंडर द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया. बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी होने वाली है आपके पास गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया के साथ काम करने की. सरकारी नौकरी है भाई. And after that guys let's talk about the salary, which is main important thing student look for ki what is the salary. So guys basic pay is not much high, lekin yes allowances are very good under this post under the assistant manager of National Housing Bank. So guys what are the allowances? DNS allowances, special pay allowances, special DA, HRA, city compensatory allowances. So इस तरह के बहुत सारे allowances हैं, and the total salary you'll be getting as 50k. Yes, some deduction will also be there. So 50k salary, around 50k. So guys बहुत अच्छी सैलरी इसके अंदर होने वाली है, and you can go with this post. National Housing Bank assistant manager I'm talking about. Yeah, if you are a bit experienced of working with bank, then you can go with the deputy manager and regional manager as well. So guys, if you guys are preparing for any banking and insurance exam in 2021, then guys link in description field, go and download the Entry App and start your free of cost preparation with free of cost high quality mock test, section test, topic wise and free of cost video lesson. Yeah, link आपको description field of pin comment में मिलेगा. This is Akash Shukla signing off and good luck for the examination guys. Thank you very much.